Hi, my name is Frank Haidusek. I'm here at Mid-Kansas Marine, Hutchinson, Kansas, going over my new boat I just bought. Mid-Kansas is going to be installing and wiring a lot of my products that I'm getting put on this boat. So first, we're getting a Beatdown Outdoors bridge up front here. We're also going to be installing a Lowrance Ghost for a trolling motor, so I'm switching from Minn Kota Ultrex. I'm going to give that a shot. Over here on the side, we're going to have the Beatdown Shorty. I got an extension just in case, but this here is going to be used for 1222 touch, and it's going to be used for my partner and also to shoot videos showing people with a Beatdown pole mount that we're going to have installed here. I'm going to have a pole. It's their new Breakaway Pole. So if you're going along and you hit a tree or something, that pole will actually break away instead of breaking on you. So they're going to install that. We're going to have the ultimate double installed on it, and I'm going to have, for now, I'm going to have a Garmin 8616 up here on it so I can run live scope up on my trolling motor. They're going to install 2 live scopes on the boat. We're going to link everything with the Garmin GMS 10, so that way I can see, no matter if I'm at the front or the back of the boat, I can see what I'm looking at on side imaging, down imaging, and live scope. And on the console, they're going to install a Deca mount with 2 94.3 XSVs, so that way I can run mapping on one unit and side imaging, down imaging on another unit, or however I want to set them up for that day. Everything's going to be powered by Ionic 125 amp hour lithium batteries. I'm going to have 3 for the trolling motor, for the Lowrance Ghost, and I'm going to have 1 dedicated for all my electronics. We're going to be using the C-Clear power cable. So this here, I can put as many different electronics I want on here. So right now I think we have 7 different things we're going to be powering off this. And it's a little bit cleaner power, and then having it connected to the Ionic lithium 125 amp hour battery, I should have plenty of power to run all day with it. We're also right now in the works of talking about putting lights into the boat and the trailer too. We're going to have that at some point. You'll see that on the finished product.